Warm up your mornings with our Fireside Coffee recipe. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of coffee and share with you some amazing recipes. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a delicious fireside coffee, perfect for those chilly nights by the fire. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of freshly brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of bourbon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, whipped cream and cinnamon sticks for garnish. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, brown sugar, bourbon, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture is heated through and the sugar has dissolved. Pour the freshly brewed coffee into a large mug. Pour the cream mixture into the mug and stir until well combined. Top with whipped cream and a cinnamon stick for garnish. Enjoy your fireside coffee while sitting by the fire and relaxing. And there you have it, a delicious fireside coffee that's sure to warm you up on those chilly nights. If you try this recipe, be sure to let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing coffee recipes like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.